Hello guys, namaste and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another new video. Thank you so much सबैजनालाई तपाईहरुको माया पाइरहेको छु युट्युबमा सब्स्क्राइब बढिरहेको छ and I hope अझै पनि सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु भएको छैन भने please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and really video आइ नै रहनेछ and today I'm here with another new video and आज म तपाईहरुमा चाहिँ फेरि पनि फुड ब्लग गर्न गइरहेको छु and so before being the videos again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much all of you guys for subscribing and then अझै सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु भएको छैन भने प्लिज सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु होला. Now we are here to go. Okay. So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and today we have another food vlog and I'm with Pops again. So fried rice, chicken livers, what is this?
That is chili sauce.
Chili sauce, vinegar with chili and coke. Okay, here we go.
Cheers, guys.
So guys, thank you for like my videos and then subscribing my video. So please keep continue. Chicken liver. Nice.
When we eat after a long time, it's very
Yeah.
nice. Why this one too much chili? That one. No.
Fried rice
The
there.
sound will not disturb.
What do you want to say?
No, I answer.
After that only. Some this fried rice never change the taste. Same taste how they made it. Every time whenever we get from the same shop.
Because I mean this is making by I think same people will make.
But never
And
same.
they do this every day same like we were. Definitely I will take beef liver.
You know last time this because of one thing that I had got.
Samosa. That is, we could have asked from that supervisor yesterday what is exactly inside. Take care of your plate. they put too much chicken.
Chicken?
I mean, compared to other things, they will put too much chicken. Even fried rice, you don't need to put this much big piece. It has to same like this rice type. See, last time what we I'm
Okay.
there. This garlic fried rice, I think me and you. Or Rotana, not with you. Rotana garlic fried rice nice than this Turkish one.
Kapsa or kapsa?
Kapsa, no? I want to show that Turkish salad design.
So thank you so much all of you guys for watching my YouTube video, and still you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and अहिले नि सब्स्क्राइब गरिहाल्नु होला. सो फेरि पनि आउने छु म नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा विथ अनदर ब्लग फुडी भिडियोज. अनि मेरो युट्युब च्यानलमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई म विभिन्न डिफरेन्ट टाइपको टेस्ट दिने ट्राई गरिरहेको छु. सो बाई नेक्स्ट भिडियो म कस्तो खालको भिडियो लिएर आउँ तपाईहरुको कमेन्ट्स पढ्न चाहन्छु. सो प्लिज पुट योर कमेन्ट्स एन्ड बिलो कमेन्ट बक्स. So what type of video you really wants to see from my side. So I'm planning to do some reaction video also by next video. So thank you so much for watching my video, and then for now I really have to say goodbye and take care. Namaste.